Hello, and welcome to the 2023 Big Baller Bunch draft order setting. This year we're going to shake it up and do it Hunger Games style. We have our 8 contestants, and whoever dies first will get the 8th pick up until the winner gets the first pick. Our contestants, myself, Taylor, Tyson, Cole, Dalton, Braden, Craig, and Jason. Let's get this going. All right, to start the Hunger Games, Tyson snatches a bottle of alcohol and a rag. I grab a backpack. Dalton gathers as much food as he can. Braden falls into a frozen lake and drowns. Craig gathers food. Taylor sets Jason on fire with a Molotov. Cole falls into a pit and dies. First day, Josh stalks Craig. Tyson sprains his ankle while running away from Taylor. Dalton explores the arena. On the first night, Dalton's unable to start a fire. He sleeps without warmth. I fall into a frozen lake and drown. Taylor thinks about winning. Craig and Tyson talk about the tribute still alive. We have 4 fallen heroes this round, as 4 cannon shots ring out. Braden died first and will receive the 8th pick. Jason with the 7th, Cole with the 6th, and me with the 5th. Let's take a second to remember our fallen heroes. Moving on to day 2, Craig receives a medical supply from an unknown sponsor. Dalton overpowers Tyson, killing him. Taylor thinks about home. On night 2, Dalton kills Taylor with a hatchet. Craig tries to treat his infection. 2 cannon shots can be heard in the distance from the second day. Another moment of silence for our fallen warriors. Tyson will receive the 4th pick, and Taylor will have the 3rd. It all comes down to this. Craig cannot handle the circumstances, and he commits suicide. 1 cannon shot rings out for the last tribute. Dalton is our winner and will receive the number 1 overall pick.